今日はポリサントリアさんに来ています。今からホテル紹介していきますよ。それでは行ってみましょう。
Om Swastiastu. Hi Kohei, welcome to Puri Santrian Beach Resort. Come on in. We are now at the lobby and now we are with one of our receptions named Omi.
Om Swastiastu, welcome to Puri Santrian. Our check-in time is at 2 o'clock and then our check-out time is 12 o'clock. While waiting for the check-in, please enjoy our welcome drink and please have a seat at our unique Balinese chair.
Welcome to Puri Santrian.
We have in total 4 pools at the resort. One of them is this big main pool named Jukung Pool, and it has its own pool bar and 1 kids pool.
Om Swastiastu. Welcome to the Jukung Pool Bar of Puri Santrian. My name is Yudi. I'm the bar manager of Puri Santrian. Our opening hours is from 11 a.m. in the morning until 7 p.m. in the afternoon. And last order is 6:30 in the afternoon. Thank you. So today I will make our signature cocktail. It's called strawberry pepper. So the ingredients is very simple. First, a glass of ice, and then in the shaker we use Gordon gin, and then we have strawberry puree, and then a little bit of lime juice and sugar syrup. And then don't forget the main ingredients is black pepper ground. Then you can put ice, and then you shake it well. And a little bit of cucumber slice. Please enjoy.
Looks amazing.
Please enjoy.
Thank you. 美味しい。
This is our second main pool, smaller in size, named Tirta Pool. It also has kids pool in it. This is the other pool named Premier Deluxe Pool, exclusive only for guests staying in Premier Deluxe. Welcome to Premier Deluxe. Let me show you the room. Size of this room is 50 square meters. It comes with a big king-size bed and a sofa bed. This room is specially designed only for adults. We have dressing table, LED TV, welcome fruit. The other facilities, we have coffee tea making facilities and also mini bar. In the wardrobe, we have kimonos, bathrobes, and traditional slippers. We have rain shower, hand shower, and also soap, also body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. These are our bath amenities. We have shower cap, shaving kit, dental kit, and etc. Staying in Premier Deluxe is perfect for honeymooners and couples. Welcome to Santrian Deluxe. Come on in. The size of the room is approximately 47 square meters and it has Hollywood twin or queen size bed. Santrian Deluxe is perfect for family travelers as we have interconnecting doors. We provide dressing table and LED TV. Here's the mini bar. This is what's inside. In this side we have coffee tea making facilities. The bath amenities is the same as in the previous category. Here at Santrian Deluxe, we have a luxurious big bathtub that is perfect for couples or even families. Here we provide rain shower, hand shower, as well as big bathtub. Here you can chill out at the comfy chair like this.
Welcome to the spa in the Puri Santrian. We have 9 rounds of treatment and the signature treatment are Balinese massage. Let's follow me. This is our couple room treatment. This is an open area. We have sarung, panties, and kimono for changing, and we provide the bathtub and shower for relaxing after the treatment.
Om Swastiastu, good morning. Welcome to Beach Club Restaurant. This is our restaurant for the breakfast. We are open at 7 until 10:30. Follow me to see the menu. Okay, for first time we have coffee and tea. This is the Balinese coffee and the black tea. So next we have Indonesian fried rice for today, and we have Western food that is chicken nugget, mini pancakes, hash brown, pork sausage, and pork bacon. Next, we have salad station. Okay, we have the fruit station. We have the fresh banana, fresh pineapple, watermelon, and papaya for today. And some section for the yogurts. We have 3 different yogurts every day. Okay, this is for our bread station. We have fresh bread every day. And we have the toast over here. You can toast your bread by yourself. And mixed bakery, we have different bakery for the day. And we have different jam every day and the butter. Okay, and this is for our cheddar cheese station. You can make your sandwich by yourself. Next, we have some fresh juice. We have orange juice, mango, and mineral water. Last, we have milk and different cereals every day. Today we have Cocoa Crunch and cornflakes.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
Good.
Thank you. Yes, maybe would you like some egg?
Can I have an omelette with everything?
Okay. get ready is your omelette with everything and cheese inside. Yeah, I hope you enjoy for the breakfast, yes?
This is for cappuccino.
We are truly grateful that we have so many returning guests who support us from all over the world. We are home for business travelers, couples, and also families. Thank you for watching this video.
See you next time.
Sampai
Sampai
jumpa.
jumpa.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.